Struggling to make it through the day, it could all come down to one thing: sleep. Quality sleep impacts everything: your mood, productivity, and overall health. Let's dive into the ultimate guide to transforming your nights. Sleep isn't just sleep, it's a cycle. We go through stages: light, deep, and REM. Each stage has its own purpose, helping you recover, recharge, and dream. Understanding this cycle is your first step toward better rest. Lack of sleep doesn't just leave you tired. It clouds your focus, weakens immunity, and over time can harm your heart. But don't worry, these are issues we can solve. Transform your bedroom into a sleep sanctuary. Dim the lights, adjust the temperature, and invest in comfortable bedding. A peaceful space means a peaceful mind. A relaxing evening routine is key. Try stretching, reading, or a warm drink to signal your body that it's time to wind down. Small steps create big results. Did you know natural light during the day helps you sleep at night? Embrace the daylight and avoid screens in the evening to reset your body's natural clock. Exercise regularly, but not too late in the day. Choose foods that support sleep, like almonds or a banana, and stay hydrated. But cut back before bed to avoid interruptions. Short naps boost energy, but keep them under 30 minutes and avoid late-day snoozes. It's all about balance. Stress keeps many of us awake. Deep breathing, meditation, and a little mindfulness can ease your mind and prepare you for a restful night. Some natural supplements like melatonin can help, but always consult a doctor first. And don't underestimate sound. White noise can be your friend in blocking out distractions. Consistency is king. Stick to a schedule, even on weekends. Your body craves routine, and a regular sleep cycle can do wonders. Take the first step tonight and start building these habits for a brighter tomorrow. For more tips and in-depth guides, check out our playlist and join us on your journey to better sleep.